guys, welcome back to my channel and another episode of Test This Skincare Pen. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana, our awesome family. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Make sure you subscribe to my blog channel if you'd like to get to know me better. Also, make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skin care needs. You can find SavvyNaturalista.com in the link down below. If it is not in the link down below, I will start including it in the description box. Now, with that being said, today we are testing apple cider vinegar and honey, not lemon juice, honey. So essentially what is supposed to happen is when you mix apple cider vinegar together with honey, it's supposed to clear up your acne and blemishes and sort of like shrink your pores like right away. And it's supposed to be a great way. And if you do it, I think it said once, it's supposed to, you will notice the effect. So that's what the pen says. So we're going to test it out to see if it's worth you putting your beautiful face through all that smelly, fermented, just mess. So you guys, I really hope you enjoy this Test This Skincare Pen. Let me know in the comments down below which pen you would like me to try next. So today we're going to put to the test apple cider vinegar and honey. So this is a local honey that I got here in Arizona. Mind you, when I bought it, are you guys those type of people who go to stores and when you buy something, you literally so for instance, I bought this in a small town. It's called Tonto Basin. So it's near Payson, but it's not really Payson, it's like Tonto. But anyway, so when we went there, it was a Lowe's store, it's like in a farm town. So when I bought this honey, she literally dusted the top off and I'm like, oh my God, I'm here. Might as well buy it. I'm like a guilty buyer. So literally I bought this honey somewhere in Tonto and I'm kind of upset I bought it, but I felt bad if I just walked out the store and said, no, I don't want your honey, it's dusty, so I bought it anyway. So today so you guys are gonna put apple cider vinegar and honey to the test. So lately my pores have been really large, so we're gonna see if it will really shrink my pores. Oh, I remember growing up, my grandma would literally make us drink this stuff, and now it's where I just drink it by the buttload. So to a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, so it says 2 tablespoons, so 1 and 2. So 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in our little bowl. And then honey. So you guys know I like to just pour my honey like this. So that's too much. Ooh. Oh. Oh. So it says about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of honey to shrink the pores. So now we're gonna stir it. So you literally want the honey to dissolve into the apple cider vinegar, and then you smear it on your face. Let's taste it. Now I'm pregnant, so pray for me. Nah, we just. Oh, that is nasty. Oh my God, I hope I don't flare up my morning sickness because I've been doing really well with it. So it says put it on your face. So let's slather our faces up. Look at this little brush. It's so ugly. It's so little and ugly. Oh my God, where's my other brush? It's so tiny. Oh my God, I need this brush. Side note, this stuff stinks. I guess that brush is too hard. Side note, this stuff stinks. Oh, stanky. Oh, I'm gonna be smelling like a pickle all day. Oh my God, y'all, I forgot my little cat ears. My bad, I forgot them. Okay, so quick tip. This stuff is really potent, so try not to get it near your eye area. So if you're gonna put it, just put it where you need your pores, that your pores are shrinking. Try not to put it all over your face, because if you get it in your eye, apple cider vinegar is potent. It's like literally trying to make me cry. Like, it is really strong. It's like cutting up an onion. If you guys like cook and you cut up onions, this is what this stuff is like. It is really strong, so be really careful. We're just gonna put it on. Like I said, like literally brush down. Like where my pores are is in my T-zone area, so here and here. Ugh. Actually, it tastes like fermented. It tastes like a bad batch of kombucha. Ooh. Side note, do any of y'all drink kombucha? Boy, I love me some kombucha. So once you're done putting it all over your face, you want to let it set for a little bit. So I'm gonna give you guys some tips right now. I feel like it's literally stinging my face, and I don't know why. This stuff is so stinging, and I think maybe the apple cider vinegar is a little old, so maybe I should get a fresh batch of apple cider vinegar. I don't know, but this stuff is really literally fermented. So that's my first tip. So if you do decide to try this to shrink your pores, be careful, because I feel like it's literally like a burning sensation to my skin with this apple cider vinegar and honey. Boy, these Pinterest people be lying to me, I feel, trying to kill my beautiful skin, and then you can't sue them. Oh God. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna let it dry and I'm gonna be back. Okay, bye. Okay, so I let it sit on my face for 10 to 15 minutes. I couldn't keep it on the 20 minutes. It just is too fermented, you guys. So the first thing I noticed at 10 minutes is it got really sticky, and it's because of honey. So I don't want to get too like, oh my God, the honey is sticky because of the honey. But if you're not a sticky mask person, you're not gonna like it. Also, apple cider vinegar is very fermented, depending on how long. If you that type of person like me, and you have apple cider vinegar in your cupboard for like 50 years. I don't want to say 50 years, but literally, if you have it in your cupboard for a while, then it's gonna smell. So I'm gonna do a close-up so you guys can see. So let's close it up. So yeah, so this is what it looks like, as you can see. I don't know if this mask is for everybody. I don't know. It may not be for you. I mean, you should try it. Oh, what I wanted to say is about the burning sensation. There was a burning sensation, but it left. So I'm kind of concerned if it either the apple cider vinegar mixed with the honey, because honey is an antiseptic, but well, it's said to be an antiseptic, especially Manuka honey, but that's another story for another time. Sometime we'll do a DIY face mask if I find one on Pinterest for Manuka honey. I hope I didn't talk fast. If I did, my bad. But what I wanted to say is, I don't know if it's opening the pores, because I feel like it's opening the pores. If I feel this like burning sensation on my face, then is it opening my pores? And what if I put hyaluronic acid on my face after? Then what will happen? So I mean, come on now, you know, this natural remedy. So let's take this off right now. I got a little fluffy towel because I'm really concerned about the burning sensation. So this is a soft towel. It's not really a hard cotton towel. It's that like cheap stuff. You know, y'all know them towels you get at the dollar store, the really soft ones that are like good for like 6 uses. So let's wipe it off. Okay, so we're gonna put Miracle Glow oil on now. So you can find Miracle Glow oil at savvynaturalista.com. Miracle Glow oil contains all natural 24 karat gold, as well as lovely essential oils to keep your skin nice and soft. Okay, so let's talk about this mask. I will say, if you have really sensitive skin, don't use it. I don't think, personally, especially if you have apple cider vinegar is really acidic. So I know I tell you guys a lot that you shouldn't worry certain acids you put on your face. Lemon juice is not as acidic as apple cider vinegar, and depending on how long you've had apple cider vinegar in your cupboard or your kitchen cabinet, I should say kitchen cabinet because I can't say cupboard for nothing, but that's a whole story for another time. you shouldn't use it. So right now I've had it in my cabinet for a pretty long time. I don't want to tell you guys how long I've had it in my cabinet, but once I started taking it off my face, I want to literally scratch my face. So if you do decide to use this mask, and first of all, I don't think it shrunk my pores at all, but I am noticing I am having like a sort of acidic reaction, like the type of reaction that I get when I'm having like morning sickness. For instance, like I'm getting really little fine bumps. I don't notice any change in my pores. Maybe after a few days I will notice changes if I continue to use it, but after a 1-day use, I'm not really feeling it. There's a little redness on my face, and I don't like the redness either, and now I really just want to scratch my face. I'm telling y'all, really right now I want to scratch my face so bad. So what I'm probably gonna do is use some miracolo oil with some tea tree oil and pray for a miracle, because this stuff is too acidic. So if I was you, would I try apple cider vinegar and honey ever again? No. I'm just being real. Don't get mad at me. If this is your favorite treatment, then like I say, it may have worked for you, but I don't feel like it worked for me. And as always, as I say in my videos, please make sure you do a skin test patch before you try this on your face, especially if you have sensitive skin. You know, the type of skin that you try any new product, your skin literally flare up like a chicken. I mean, well, like a chicken. Please try it on your hand or arm first, or even your neck, because your neck is closer to your face. So if you get some sort of allergic reaction on your neck, you can cover it up, but you don't want it on your face. So just please be careful, you guys. But would I recommend this? No, I actually give it an F. A big fat F. And maybe because my apple cider vinegar was a little too fermented, because it's been in a kitchen cabinet for a while. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Test This Skincare Pen. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow me on all my social media sites, and I'll see you in our next episode of Test This Skincare Pen. Boy, you guys.